Hello friends, welcome to my channel Different Hues of Nature. Today I am going to tell you about pansy care. Before that, I would like to define the beauty of the little tiny flower pansies come in a massive array of colors including purple, blue, yellow, red, white and orange. I have planted all the pansies in white colors this time and rest of the colors red, yellow, purple, orange shades I have planted in some other flower species so that garden looks colorful, vibrant with all the different colors of flowers. It is derived from the French word pansy means thought. If you see pansy closely, it looks like a small smiling human face and you would like to smile it back and even want to talk and touch the flower. It has lush heart-shaped or rounded green leaves as you can see in video. Despite their delicate appearance, pansies are hardy, often blooming in cool, chilly or even snowy conditions. Pansies are more than a garden ornament. Friends, let's talk about how to water it. Water it once a week. If it does not rain, ensure soil stays moist but not waterlogged. Consistent watering. Then in ground plants, particularly during dry spells or cold, windy weather. Hardy pansies might need protection if temperature drops below 20 degree F to 6 degree F. Cover it with mulch or frost cloth to insulate roots. Regularly pinch or snip off faded flowers to encourage continued blooming throughout the season. Ensure they are in a sunny spot to maximize blooming as they prefer 40 degree to 60 degree F. If your plants look grey or wilted in frigid temperatures, they will often recover once they receive sunlight, but covering them helps prevent this damage. Now friends, let's talk about how to fertilize them. Stop fertilizing during the coldest part of winter, but consider a liquid fertilizer application from late winter onwards to encourage new growth. Pansies are heavy feeders that thrive on a balanced fertilizer such as 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 NPK to promote continuous blooming and robust growth. Apply liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks or use a slow release granular formula monthly fertilizer during planting in late fall and again in early March for best results. Apply a slow release fertilizer at planting time, then follow up in late or early winter and again in March. Never apply fertilizer to dry soil as they can burn the roots.